Hey, just an FYI on a 99 Dodge Ram 2500 turbo diesel, 1999 Dodge Ram Cummins turbo diesel. If the check engine light comes on because you disconnected the heaters at the solenoids, and if you reconnect the heaters after one day of parking the truck overnight, and I reconnected mine last night, and the check engine light, after I took it out, went out and had breakfast the next morning, and the check engine light after two starts, so after like 3 or 4 starts, from like doing stuff in the morning, the check engine light automatically reset itself. So I don't know if the code has gone away in the computer, but this is pretty cool. I have no check engine light now, and I haven't had to do a code scanner thing on it. So hopefully the truck will smog now. But I will double check. I want to get a code reader and make sure everything's clear. But it hopefully would pass smog, because I have no check engine light now. Sweet. So I wanted to let you guys know that it auto resets. You don't have, if you just give it a day. Let the truck sleep overnight and take it out for a couple drives, and it auto resets. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video and subscribe. Take care. 2-minute tech tip for the 1999 Dodge Ram Cummins turbo diesel. Click like, subscribe, and share.